Welcome to Mukam Coding Mentor channels. We are taking C++ programming language fundamentals, and today we will look at the control structure, that is switch case statement. So basically control structure are used in decision making process, and if you want to know the key aspects of control structure, you can look it into the previous slides and get the main idea about how it is used. So switch case control structure. Switch statement allow variable to be tested for equality against the list of values. So value will be set in the switch expression and it is tested with each case. Matched case will be executed. So syntax for switch case is been given, and default operation is an optional value which we can put if none of the case match. Let's see a practical small demonstration by which you can understand this switch case properly. So switch will take the variable which will be positive and it is not a conditional expression, and the match case will be executed. Default is a default option which will be executed anyhow if none of the case will match. I will compile and run it. So x is 10 because we have already set it to the 10. What if I will change the number into 30? So when I will change the number into 30, that number and value will be executed. Okay. So this was the simple demonstration of a switch case statement. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe to the channel.